How do you reduce inefficiencies, increase productivity, and get better results from your product development processes with better data management and better process management? Product data management gives everyone access to the right data at the right time, all within a centralized system, so you can control design processes, reduce errors, and improve productivity throughout your entire organization. Product Lifecycle management enables companies to get better products to market faster, helping streamline new product introductions, share up-to-date BOM information across your organization in real time, enhance supplier engagement and participation, and close the gaps on change management and quality issues. Integrated PDM and PLM work together to keep everyone on the same page to overcome complex development challenges, cohesively manage the many moving parts of the product lifecycle, so you can do more with your product data, from early design concept through engineering to production and service. Get rid of bottlenecks, connect your people, processes and data across the entire product lifecycle, and get to market faster.